Red Truck Beer Company started in the year 2005. We're a small craft brewery that was serving draft only or producing draft only. Our brewery was 3,600 hectoliter capacity based on the different brands, lager and ale, that we could do. Our founder decided it was time to look for new property and where we would be able to build a brand new brewery that was very close to downtown Vancouver. Red Truck decided to go with Krones Cosme based on three important factors. One, quality. Two, service and ability to connect with Krones, and also reputation. Also, that had to fit within our budget, and so with Krones Cosme, that absolutely fit. The commissioning of our canning and bottling line with the Krones Cosme technicians was pretty well seamless. A great group of guys that are very knowledgeable at what they do. So the commissioning went very, very smooth. We had very little problems, and so by having very little problems, they were able to take the time to teach our employees as well. So that was very important for us moving forward with the equipment that we purchased. When it comes to Krones, the three things really stand out to me, which are quality, service, and reputation. Those are extremely important for us. We know that the equipment that we get from Krones is dependable. It's going to do the job for us. It's going to help us in our efficiencies, and that really helps us in our bottom line. So that's extremely important to us.
Red Truck beer. Nothing delivers like a red truck.